Hello folks, today I'm going to show you how to embed a YouTube video into a PowerPoint presentation. I've got my screen and the things I need to do this already set up on my screen, so on my toolbar, so don't let that confuse you. Look, first off, we need to go into Google and pick a video that we can use. I'm going to pick the dog and the dolphin. So here we go. This is the one I'll pick here, down here. Now, when you normally play YouTube videos, hang on, I'll just stop that for a second. When you normally play, you get all this stuff around your screen, unless you go here to expand it to full screen. But what I'm going to show you is when you put it into PowerPoint and it plays, it will automatically open up to full screen. I'll show you how to get the URL. I'll just start this playing again. Now you go here where it says share, options, down to long link, highlight that, right click and copy. Now the other thing is, for a cover page for your PowerPoint, you can always just stop your video. Hang on, see, that might be appropriate for a cover for your PowerPoint. I use the snipping tool, which is part of Windows 7, but you can use any screen capture you like. So I would sort of just grab that as the cover shot, but I've actually selected this one here. I've selected that as the cover shot. And alright, well, we've copied that video and we're holding it in the mouse. I'll just get out of that. Now I've got it set up, and you probably won't see some of this because it's out of screen, but you probably all know how to find Notepad, all programs, accessories, Notepad. Here we are here. Now you can just click and hold that and drag it down to your toolbar if you want. I won't do it because it's already there on my toolbar, but that's where you get Notepad from. Alright, so I'll bring up Notepad. Wrong one, sorry. Notepad. Now that URL that you copied off that YouTube video we were watching is on your mouse, so right click. Once you bring your Notepad up, right click and paste. Now there's the URL there. for that dog and the dolphin video. Now this is where we have to start changing the actual URL. Up here where it says equals, just highlight that, and down on your keyboard, I don't know if I'll bring up just a second. On the keyboard you'll see on your, I've brought it up on screen, but your keyboard will be the same. Here you click slash. Now that ain't doing anything. Now this is confusing, so I'll just get out of there. Okay, we've highlighted that. Now on your keyboard just click the slash, which is alongside your right hand shift key, or the question mark above it. Okay, now that's changed that. Now you leave the V where it is, go in and just highlight watch with the question mark, hit backspace and take that out. Now as I said before, when you normally bring up a YouTube video, you've got all the advertisements and everything else around it. Now I've put this on my screen here just for convenience. Up here where it says and autoplay equals 1, highlight that. You'll have to make a copy of this yourself. I've got it set there, so we'll copy that. I'll get back out of there. Now up here, put that on the end of your existing URL, and autoplay equals 1. Now that video, that URL is what we will embed into your into the PowerPoint, so it'll play. So I'll just copy that just to speed things up, and copy it. Now I'll shrink that down because I may use it later. Okay, now I've got a PowerPoint that I started making up for this program. I'll just bring it up. How to embed a YouTube video into a PowerPoint presentation and change the URLs for better effects like going to full screen. Okay, next page is find the YouTube video that you want, which we've done. Copy the URL of that video, which we've done. Paste it into Notebook, we've done that also. While in Notebook, change the URL as I've just shown you. Now copy that change URL and then embed it into PowerPoint as shown. Now this is where we'll start embedding the video. Bring up a new page and add your introductory picture, like I was saying, using a snipping tool or any screen capture, and we just add that to your next page. When you've done that, go to another new page. Okay, now this is the picture that I snipped with the screen capture tool. You may see just down the bottom here that it's sort of slightly out of the actual frame of it. But okay, right, you've got that set as that's your first. You can write on that whatever you want. You may want something more than this, but that's entirely up to you. Alright, we'll go to the next page. Now this is where we would put your new embed your video into this. Now I'm going to have to clear this and go back and just do this slightly different and go to new, like we all know how to do, and when we start, now we'll go down to the page that we're going to embed this in. Okay. Now at this point you've got your cover shot here. Now to put the video into here, we go to View, go to Toolbars, Control, Toolbox. Now when it comes up like this, down on the very bottom right hand side which says More Controls, click that. Now we have to search for Shockwave Flash Object. Alright, now we'll go up here, click left hand on your mouse and drag that right across your screen like that. Now when it comes up like that, right click and go to Properties. Now let's brought up this other panel here. Just make sure that your device font and your embed movie are on false, set on false. Okay, we'll go to movie up there. Now we've got that URL already copied onto the mouse, so we'll right click, and now I've put that video, that URL in there. Now you can actually get out of there and clear that, and by rights that video should play. Now I'll bring that up, and this, taking it as if this is the start of your PowerPoint presentation. Okay, we'll go to where am I? It'll run right through. View show. Okay, we've got that. We'll get that and that and that. Now this is the start of your video. Now when you click this, now the video is starting. Here we go. See, it's come up full screen. You haven't got any of that rubbish around it. And that's basically how you do it. I'll stop the video there, but that's more or less how you do it. And then of course you save your that video to wherever you want to. Save it as a PowerPoint show. Here you can call it whatever you like, dog and the dolphin, and click save. Now you may want to put it onto your desktop or into your documents, so it's up to you. But that's basically it. Alright folks, I hope this has been a bit of a help for you, and enjoy. And I just have to, and that's done.